Hello everyone, welcome to CHONZSKY's channel here at YouTube together with his CHONZSKY. We will now show you how to eat leftovers. As you can see, we have leftover rice, leftover century tuna, and we have leftover sardines. Now, first, on how to eat leftover sardines. Are you ready, CHONZSKY? Okay, we'll get some leftover rice. And we put on some sauce. We stir well so we make sure that there are no cockroaches inside. No. So we get on the sauce. We pour it on top of the rice. And presto. Now, we tender the rice, you scoop the rice, and you smell it. Oh, you smell it. And then, you eat it. Sarap-sarap. Okay, now, for our next step on how to eat leftover century tuna. Okay, step 1. You make sure that there are no foreign objects inside the century tuna. So, we know it's clean. And now, we scoop some century tuna. We pour it on the rice. Be sure to spread it evenly. And then, we tender the rice, we mix it well, and scoop! And then you smell it. Smells good. It tastes even better. Oh, you don't want to waste anything. Not more than 1 minute. Okay, that's it. So now, thank you ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to CHONZSKY channel together with our guest here, CHONZSKY. Is it delicious? Good? Okay. See you soon.